Hello and welcome everybody. This is the, how do you pronounce it? Tonit? The Tonit community gathering for a motorcycle ride. We got a Harley, we got a cool Roadster Triumph, a Honda. Yeah. Ducati Monster. FZ6? That's what it looks like.
That is.
A little Kawasaki 650 Economy. The Vulcan. K1200S BMW. It's a great little bike. I enjoyed riding one of these in Vegas for a while on the Moby Buff.
Yeah.
We got a Yamaha. Oh, this is, what's this called again? The Spike? What is this one called? Yeah, my buddy just bought one of these. Brody, if you're watching, this looks like yours. Except he's got an exhaust on it. We got a Harley Davidson, a Moto Guzzi. You're the one and only one here, probably.
One and only girl.
Maybe. Oh, sorry. It's all right. Any bike, every bike. A CX500 Deluxe. Ducati 1198S. Yeah. 1198S. Yeah, he's got the S going on. A Z1000. Here's like an 80s classic. The Honda 400. That's right, Thailand style. Holy crap, look at that helmet just hanging. Let's keep it moving here. The CBR 600. We got a Hayabusa at the place here. A 500X. Oh yeah, Thailand style for this one. I rode one of these in Thailand. Doesn't handle very well, but it carries a lot of luggage.
That would look like an 80s bike, but it's a 2007.
The Ninja 500R, yeah. And then we got an R6. And we got a cup holder on this one. Good old, big old Harley, it looks like.
Honda.
It's a Honda.
It's a Honda.
There you go. Dirty Honda. This guy's been putting on some miles.
It just came from Alaska.
Alaska. There you go. You gotta keep Alaska with it, right? It's stained. We got an R6. It's kind of like a 99 style. I don't remember all the generations. Looks like a Ninja 300. Really cool paint on this one. I like that paint. A Ninja 300? Yeah. And then S1000, 2012 to 14. An R1, 2015. No, R6. Yeah, they just look so similar now. Oh, one of those Z1000s, I think. KZ 1300 Kawasaki. Economy Suzuki. I don't remember what those are. GSRs or something.
What's that?
400 SM, of course. The Suzuki DRZ. And we got the first Indian. Here we are. Beautiful. Look at that exhaust too. Whose bike's this?
Mine.
Your bike. There you go.
M&M Performance.
Oh yeah, of course. You're selling the Indians. I seen him in there in the new shop, along with some side-by-sides. And then we got an R1. Yeah, the Undertale version, the older generation. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's got bark busters, dirt bike. It's a dirt bike, street bike. And then we got a 501, FE 501, Supermoto, Aprilia. Which one's this?
The Shiver
The 900, yeah. The Shiver 900. something. FJ09. Some glasses hanging there.
All set up to go off-road.
Yeah, oh yeah, look at the tires. Yeah,
Oh,
this
yeah.
thing's dual sported up.
Yeah, well, I put on like skid plates, engine guards.
Oh yeah, skid plates.
And I've used them.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go. You're getting out there. You can carry a lot of weight because it's a heavy bike, so you can carry a lot of weight, and that's the whole idea of like with the bags and everything.
Yeah, the payload's not bad, and because I go off-road into the bush, I gotta have my air supply, right? The compressor's in there and all the gear to save my own ass.
Yeah, you need air, and you need like a mushroom plug kit or
Got it all.
a spare tire. And then we got Honda. What is this? The old Goldwing. What a mix of bikes. CBR 1000, 08 plus, 899 Panigale. An old Gixxer 1000. Oh, it's a TL 1000. TL 1000R. That's right, with the rear end like that. You don't see too many of those around anymore. And we got an 848 with like some kind of weird thing here. What's this? Some lights coming off of it. Nice. Some LEDs.
Yeah,
There you go. This guy's leather's on. He's ready for a ride.
ready.
Yeah. It's going to be a slow crowd today though. So
That's all right. Is it a Tonit, Aaron?
pardon me?
Is it a Tonit, Aaron?
Yeah, they organize some food. You can get some food. Oh, my flash is on. Holy. Anyways, guys, my name is Marcel Irnie. Motorcycle group ride today. We're meeting at Kelowna Yamaha, and we start the ride soon. See you guys later. Cheers.